Today I'm going to show you how to install Latch Shield for this outward opening door. These shields are designed to make the door more secure. If you look between the door and the frame, uh, you could almost see the lock, the bolt lock coming out. Someone could actually cut that and open the door. So to make it a little difficult for the person to open, I've decided to put this plate in. I mean, I don't have any problems now, but it doesn't hurt to be safe. And I went and picked this up from a hardware store. I'm going to open it up in under this camera so you could see what's in there. There's a instruction sheet. You got this shield and the hardwares. It comes with 2 bolts, 2 washers, and lock nut. So first what I want to do is I want to dry fit it, and I'm going to mark where the mounting is going to be. It's very important to do this because if you just make holes, this won't go in. It won't fit in place. So you want to make sure it's locked, and then mark it so you don't have to make too many holes on the door. Now that we have the marks in place, we're going to go ahead and drill the mounting holes. I use the Ryobi drill, um, 18 volts. So you want to wiggle it in. I didn't want to make it too loose because I wanted the plate, the plate to be firmly in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tap it in with a hammer, because the whole purpose of it is to be for security reasons. So I want to make it as firm and as tight in place as possible. So light hammer tapping did the job. Now I'm going to go on the other side of the door. You want to make sure you get the washers installed, and then I'm going to put the lock nut in. You want to make sure you hand tight the nuts first, because you do not want to strip it. I have this speed wrench that I'm going to use. That's going to save me much time. The other end you don't have to worry about, because the plate is designed so that the mounting bolt fits in place. It doesn't move. So just one side, all you have to do is tighten up the nut and you're all good. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.